Today, you'll discover a profitable Forex scalping strategy that completely dominates the Forex market. This scalping strategy is one of my favorites, and I've made a significant amount of money using it. As a result, I hope you learn from this video and are able to apply the tools I teach to your own personal gain. Let us now provide a brief description of scalping as well as some critical guidelines to remember before using this strategy. So what is exactly Forex scalping? Forex scalping is a trading strategy that is based on a real-time technical analysis. Scalping in Forex trading mainly refers to making a high number of transactions that each earn a modest profit. Rather than maintaining a position for numerous hours, days, or weeks, the fundamental purpose of scalping is to earn as much profit as possible in the shortest amount of time feasible. Scalping is not simple. Forex scalpers must be mentally healthy and focused while scalping. Any sign of exhaustion, sickness, or distraction is a signal to stop trading and take a break. Trust me, trading while you're exhausted will cost you money. When is the best time to use this strategy? The highest levels of volume and liquidity occur in the London and New York sessions. London from 8 am to 1700 GMT and New York from 1300 to 2200 GMT. A cross between the London and New York session is what's called the day trading hours. At this time of the day, the market is the most active, hence why there's the most volatility as well, which makes these trading hours attractive for most scalpers. The broker you use is also important. They should provide a ECN or STP service with as low of spread difference as possible. This will provide you with the best chance of profiting from this Forex scalping trading strategy. Now that you've learned a little bit about scalping, let me tell you about the criteria for this Forex scalping technique. Open your favorite charting software and choose the 1 minute time frame. You will also need to add 3 main indicators. These are the stochastic oscillator and 2 exponential moving averages. For best trading success, adjust the stochastic oscillator to periods of 5, 3, 3. Also, set the period for the exponential moving averages. The first EMA line should have a period of 50 and the second EMA line should have a period of 100. Okay, now we're all set and ready to locate our entry point in the Forex market. But which currency pair should you trade? While this Forex scalping strategy may be applied with any currency pair, it may be easier to implement with major currency pairings such as Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, USD CAD and a few others as shown on the screen. Because major pairs have the lowest available spreads, it is easier to use them than the others. So after you've added the indicators to your chart, you'll need to wait for an entry confirmation signal before entering the market. The 50 EMA line must be above the 100 line to provide a buy signal. When this occurs, it is critical to wait until the candlesticks return to the EMA lines. Furthermore, the stochastic oscillator must be lower than or equal to 20 and ideally crossing back upwards from below. When all 3 conditions are met, you may open a long position. Now that we have covered how to purchase the pair, let's look at how to sell it. To make a short trade, the 50 EMA line should be positioned below the second 100 EMA line. For the buy entry points, we wait until the price returns to the EMA lines. Furthermore, the stochastic oscillator must cross above 80 and ideally crossing back downwards from above. You may open a short or sell order without concern after all of these confirmations are in place. Here's a quick example of a long position opened up poorly that will cost you money. The price has crossed the moving averages and the candlesticks have now returned to the moving averages, but our stochastic oscillator has not yet hit our 20 threshold or lower, indicating that it's not safe to enter. If you enter this trade now, you are taking a greater risk than you ever want to take. And this may result in the market not recognizing the exponential moving averages and continuing its trend towards the downside, causing you to get stopped out and incur a loss that could have easily been prevented. Here's an excellent tip. Utilize 2 timeframes at the same time to validate what you observe. Remember that 5 1-minute candlesticks are equivalent to 1 5-minute candlestick formation. There is 5 times more information than in 1 minute time frame period, implying that it is a more trustworthy source of information that you should use. You may also try utilizing even higher timeframes to understand the general long-term direction. I always suggest trading with the trend. If the market is falling, you should preferably make a sell transaction rather than a buy trade, since this improves your chances of success significantly. Always consider if it's near a uptrend, downtrend, or a support and resistance zone on both timeframes. You need to know this to validate what you see. After you grasp the current market direction, you may make a trade, and ideally the exchange should follow your analysis. Should you trade during the news? I don't encourage anybody who is new to scalping to trade during the news, since it's extremely unpredictable. However, certain traders excel at it and can bank a significant amount of money in less than 15 minutes. You should constantly be aware of the news that is released. Some major news events to keep an eye out for include gross domestic product, non-farm payroll, initial jobless claims, retail sales, central bank rate decision, and FOMC. There are more news events, but we'll limit ourselves on the major ones to keep things brief. If you need to know where to locate news events, I recommend fxstreet.com, which is what I use. Is it possible to trade gold with this strategy? This trading technique may certainly be used while trading gold. In general, you should use simple techniques such as determining your higher zones and lower zones before following your indicators for additional trade confirmations. As you can see in this example, the 5-minute time frame is following the same downward scenario as the 1-minute time frame, which is our first trading confirmation. Now we can see that our candlesticks have rocketed up towards our 2 exponential moving averages, indicating that a push exhaustion scenario is going to occur. The stochastic indicator is also overbought, which is another additional indication for a trade towards the downside. Whether that isn't enough, we may watch for further price movement and see if a bearish engulfing candle forms while bouncing off the EMA lines. This, together with the other confirmations, suggests a good trade towards the downside. Because gold US dollar is highly fundamentally driven pair, you must pay close attention to the fundamental news. If certain news events occur, you must do your research before starting your trade. If you think US dollar data will be better than anticipated, gold price will drop substantially. If you have not already, consider joining our free Telegram group. Every week we offer 1 free trade to our free members and 3 to 10 signals to our premium trading group. We also publish our weekly and monthly trading outcomes from our premium services. So if you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment what you would like to see next, and we'll definitely make a video on it. And for now, consider watching something else on our channel. There's a lot of quality content. I'll make a playlist on it. And take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and goodbye.